With WhatsApp's new update, you can message any number without saving it, and start chatting instantly. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the Calls tab located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the available options, find the keypad, and tap on it. Now, type the phone number you want to contact. As you type, WhatsApp will automatically check whether the number is registered on the platform. If the number is on WhatsApp, the profile name will instantly appear, confirming that the person is using WhatsApp. Now tap on the chat icon to proceed. And just like that, you can start chatting instantly, no need to save the contact. This feature saves time and keeps your contact list organized, especially when you only need to message someone once. If the number you entered isn't registered on WhatsApp, no name or profile will appear, and a "Not on WhatsApp" message will be displayed. This feature helps you save time and maintain a clean contact list, especially for one-time messages. And that's how you can message unsaved numbers on WhatsApp.